Another day, another beautiful day in the African sun. It's doing a really good job. And today is on a Tuesday, the day to manifest good things in our lives. And for that fact, I'm going to teach you something else on manifesting. Yeah. In the previous video, we talked about manifesting. That is how you say that you're gonna have good things in your life. I keep repeating that to yourself until it comes in from your heart and then your mind. Then it's one thing. Then you're going to get in real life. But something else that I want you to do, to embrace, and something that I'm going to do today is, especially now, you want a particular product, something that you need. What do? So you go there in that particular shop, play with whatever that you dream of owning, or rather your goal of owning. Yeah, touch it, feel it, feel how it feels to be sitting on that couch, feel how it feels to be watching that TV, to be changing the channels on the remote, to be playing with that DJ gear, to be steering that dream car. Yeah, go there, and I'm sure that you'll spark your subconscious to work towards achieving that particular goal. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep manifesting good things in your life. Tell me in the comments below how you do your own things or how you do your manifestation. Drink water, be good, enjoy your life, be kind to other people, give out your old clothes, keep someone warm, buy someone lunch, but with a pure heart. Don't buy lunch because you have a motive, yeah? Rather, you're buying lunch to impress someone. That's it. As usual, what do? Keep things short and sweet. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Deejay Iconiqq. Bye-bye.